While building this machine, lots and lots of coupon slats have been cut. For our next step, I will need to make 4 3x3-inch square slats made out of 1/4-inch flat bar, which will close the 3x3-inch square tubing sides as shown here. I want to share with you this nifty scribe I found a while ago. This parallel cross caliper scribe is incredibly handy as it has a carbide scribe on one side and a roller on the other. You slide the caliper to the measurement you want and then whammo! Scribe to kingdom come! Thanks to how visible the line is, it is so easy to cut the part to fairly decent levels of accuracy. As I had shown on my other videos, I will place the part in the Tormac PCNC 1100 to spot drill the slats. The drilling will happen at the drill as it is just much quicker for me. No need to change tooling and such. For this part, however, I will go ahead and thread the slats 5 holes with this manual tapping machine. This little machine has made this task so much easier. I used to dread tapping, well, not anymore. The slats will be welded at the end of the square tubing, although at this time they are not welded all the way in case I need to make any modification. The last step is to add these crossover bars which will unite the two 3x3-inch beams. The y-axis is taking shape, so on the next video we will install the last Vibor 1000mm ball screw assembly. I want to thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel and I'll see you on the next one.